I thought they were cute.
They're fine. I'm just used to sparkle level support.
Most kids today see more ads before breakfast than we saw during an entire Saturday morning cartoon binge. And yep, they remember every jingle, every sparkle, every fake influencer llama. But what actually shapes their desires isn't just commercials. It's us. The words we use, the way we react, even the sigh we let out when we swipe that credit card. Our kids are watching that too. Hey, I'm Greg, dad, marketer, and host of Inspiring Next Gen Wealth. I've read the research, lived the guilt, and designed this next sketch to hit the funny bone and the parenting nerve. In this episode, you'll meet ENOUGHIE, a doll who guilt trips, upgrades, and emotionally drains your kid until they finally get the one thing we all need to learn. We're already enough. Here's ENOUGHIE, the emotionally complex doll we didn't ask for, but probably needed. Let's go.
Help kids feel full from the inside out. It can be hard to say no to requests, but kids don't need constant upgrades to feel loved. They need limits, laughter, and the reminder that they're already enough. Because when love fills the space, stuff doesn't have to.
From the makers of Guilt Trip Barbie and Passive Aggressive Polly, it's the doll that never settles.
Enough, she's always upgrading. Enough, emotionally engaging. She won't throw a bit, she'll set up the guilt trip.
You got me the base model shoes.
I thought they were cute.
They're fine. I'm just used to sparkle level support.
She's got big taste and a tiny voice module that runs on your child's self-worth.
This lemon water money better cover my mani-pedi. I'm not showing up to daycare with basic nails.
She doesn't ask for more. She expects it.
So, no organic hummus.
Wow. Brave.
With over 40 emotionally loaded catchphrases, ENOUGHIE helps your child experience the relentless grind of modern parenting.
My daughter gave up lunch money to buy ENOUGHIE a sleep mask. ENOUGHIE said it smelled insecure.
I got the diamond stroller, the infinity boots, and the deluxe mood mirror. Can you please just be happy?
If you loved me, you wouldn't need to ask that.
No, too frilly.
She doesn't cry. She leverages emotions.
Enough, ENOUGHIE. You're good enough just as you are.
There it is, the magic word.
Sweet Pea, what's going on?
I just missed you, Mom.
Oh, I missed you too.
When your child learns to say no, ENOUGHIE says yes.
My daughter told me, I think I've been ENOUGHIE. Then she hugged me and asked if I wanted a nap.
Side effects may include spontaneous hugs, unexpected thank yous, and donating toys to charity. ENOUGHIE is not responsible for increased family harmony, reduced whining, or unprompted acts of kindness. Deluxe Spa Goat and Emotional Support Unicorn still sold separately.
All right, welcome back. So what did we just watch? A doll that demands more, guilts harder, and upgrades constantly. Until a kid finally says what most parents have been dying to hear: you're enough. In the book Money Mammoth, researchers explain that we're biologically wired to hoard, not just food, but stuff, because our brains still think we're surviving, not thriving. In Good Inside, Dr. Becky reminds us kids don't need fixing or impressing. They need to feel safe, seen, and good, exactly as they are. The book Happy Money shows we're actually happiest not when we get more, but when we make intentional choices and keep treats special. And in the book, The Me, Me, Me Epidemic, it warns that when kids learn to measure joy by how much they have, they lose the ability to feel full. So here's one small parenting takeaway you can try this week. It's called the Feel Full Toolkit. Number 1, the That's So You ritual. Once a week, name something you love about your kiddo that has zero to do with achievement or stuff, like you're so kind with your brother. You always notice when someone's left out. This builds identity around being, not buying. Number 2, spot the ad game. Watch one ad together and ask, what are they really selling us here? Kids start to see the emotional message underneath the glitter. Number 3, free joy wall. Put up a whiteboard or sticky note zone and add one thing each day that brought joy and cost nothing, and then rotate who starts. Hint, like playing catch or laughing at dad's bad jokes, both count. Number 4, want list Wednesday. When your kiddo wants something, don't say no, just say, all right, let's add it to the list and check in on Wednesday. This 7-day gap builds delayed gratification like nothing else. Number 5, reverse unboxing challenge. Once a month, pick one thing to donate. Talk about who it might help. Your kid just practiced generosity and rewrote what it means to have enough. For parents, you don't have to buy your kids happiness. You just have to help them see it, name it, and feel it. You're doing better than you think. For kids, you're already awesome. You don't need deluxe sparkle boots to prove it. And if you do want sparkle boots, maybe you can earn them at your lemonade stand like the boss that you are. Drop a comment below, what's the weirdest thing your kid had to have that lost its sparkle in 3 days? Or your favorite thing they've ever given away. In the next episode, we'll meet a secret society that works in the shadows, and we'll pull back the curtain on how comparison is engineered and how to help your kid rise above it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.